Professor Black Ops, you see it. Let's get it. Easy Park. Easy Park disclosed a data breach that impact millions of users. Of course, people use those Easy Park in big cities. Let's check it out. Parking app developer EasyPark has published a notice on its website warning of a data breach it discovered on December 10th, 2023, which impacts an unknown number of millions of users. EasyPark is a Swedish company that creates mobile and web apps that serves as parking space locators, booking managers, and EV charging point finders. The company operates digital parking services in 20 countries and over 4,000 cities, covering most of Europe, the United States, Australia, New England, and the UK. The EasyPark app, Europe Focus, has over 10 million downloads on Google Play, while its other app, Ringo, that's UK Focus, and ParkMobile, US Focus, has 5 million installs each. As reported by Bleeping Computer, ParkMobile disclosed a massive data breach in 2021 that exposed the stolen data for more than 21 million customers. This database was subsequently released for free on a hacking forum. Although the firm's spokesperson has declined to provide details about this new breach and how many customers were impacted, that a portion of European users have been affected, indicating that the incident concerns mainly EasyPark app users. The company announcement mentioned that some customers have the following information compromised, depending on what they have provided to the platform: name, phone number, physical address, email address. Some digits of their credit card, debit card, or IBAN was also disclosed. The above could help cyber criminals launch effective phishing attacks against the exposed EasyPark users, which the company warns explicitly on its data breach notice. However, the company clarifies that the disclosed data does not pose a risk for executing unauthorized transactions. No such activities have resulted from a cybersecurity incident. Users who are impacted by the incident will receive personalized notice from EasyPark via its in-app message, push notification, email, and SMS. If you want to know if you're affected, please open up the app, suggest the FAQ on the data breach notice. At this time, the app serves continue to be accessible as normal, while EasyPark security team is implementing additional security and privacy measures to ensure that the adverse effect of the incidents have been contained. The data protection authorities in Sweden, the United Kingdom, and Switzerland have been notified about the incident. As we caution, and since the nature of the cybersecurity incident remains undisclosed, it would be prudent for all users to reset their account password and do the same on all online platforms where they might be using the same credentials. At the time of this writing, no ransomware group has taken responsibility for the attack on EasyPark. However, threat actors have already started looking for stolen data in the hacking forum posts seen by Bleeping Computers. So once again, if you have the EasyPark app, you probably need to reset your password. Millions of users have been breached. Once again, Professor Black Ops, please subscribe.